In this question we're asked to expand and simplify. We can see that 2x minus 3 has been multiplied by x minus 4. It's multiplied because the two things are next to each other and there's no time sign in between. So because two things are multiplied together, we can now say that we're actually finding the area of a rectangle. One side of the rectangle is 2x minus 3 and the other side of the rectangle is 4 minus x. Looking for the body of the rectangle, 2x times 4 is 8x, minus 3 times 4 is minus 12, 2x times minus x is minus 2x squared, and minus 3 times minus x is plus 3x. If we bring those out, we've got 8x minus 12 minus 2x squared and plus 3x. Let's have a look if we've got any like terms that we can gather together. We've got an 8x and we've got a plus 3x, which is going to give us 11x. Normally when we write our quadratic, we put the x squared term first. So the simplified version would be minus 2x squared, that was 11x, and minus 12. In this question, we're asked to factorise this quadratic expression. So what we're going to do is we're going to go the other way. It's telling us that if we had a rectangle, then we will know what the middle of the rectangle is. In the middle of the rectangle, we'll have an x squared term. We will also have a minus 12 term. And the other two terms here will add up to make minus 4x. What we're looking for then, if this is x squared, we know that we've got to have an x times an x. But the tricky bit is to realise that we need minus 12, and these two numbers here must multiply together to make minus 12, and must also add together to make minus 4x. So when you're making minus 12, we need one positive number and one negative number. So a negative number times a positive number must give us negative 12. So if we take negative 6 and we take positive 2, then we can see that minus 6 times 2 makes minus 12, and minus 6 plus 2 makes minus 4, and that's what we're looking for because we need minus 4x. So the two numbers that we're going to multiply together is minus 6 and positive 2, and then we can see that this minus 6 times x is minus 6x, and 2 times x is 2x. The two sets of numbers that are multiplied together to make this, on one side we've got x minus 6, on the other side we've got x plus 2. So if we want to factorise x squared minus 4x plus x, we have x minus 6 on one side of the rectangle and x plus 2 on the other side of the rectangle. You can use the method of FOIL to solve this problem as well.